Hello everyone, Nasir here from Financial Markets Club. In this video we're going to look at the NASDAQ 100. On my last video I was talking about how the NASDAQ 100 could be coming to an end of its rise, but it's been proving quite resilient actually. Around here I was expecting the NASDAQ to sort of top off and finish off. We saw a dip and then suddenly it started pushing back up. This is I wouldn't say I'm too concerned because I'm still pretty sure the market's coming back down, but it's just a question of timing. Whether yesterday was the sort of top, or we're yet to do a top somewhere up around there, around the 13,600 level ish. So I'm actually looking for the NASDAQ 100 to break this trend line that I've drawn here. Once that's broken, then we can be pretty sure that this is coming down. In terms of coming down, as I was saying in my last video, I think this could be pretty bad actually. I think we're going to come down to somewhere around the mid or low 11,000s, and if we get too close to 11,000 ish, then there's a high possibility we might breach that and go even lower. But for now, I'd probably aim for around 11,500 ish. So we're looking at about a 2,000 point drop on this. Still to see the actual reversal start. Once this trend line is broken, then we can be pretty sure. Obviously, if this doesn't happen and suddenly the market starts shooting up, then obviously the whole scenario changes, and we're probably going to continue towards the 16,000 level. But I do find that hard to sort of digest, because there's got to be some sort of pullback. I mean, the market's had a wonderful rise for the past few weeks, so let's bring this market down. Also, if I could ask you to just throw in a quick like on my video please, and subscribe to my channel so you can get updates on my videos as they come up. Really appreciate the support, and let's try and grow this channel to help out as many people as possible.